So I just got a new bike. It's a stolen. Got some stolen Thermalite pedals on here. Stolen money grips and bar ends. Stock handlebars, stem, and forks. They just painted white. Got an E-clap pivotal seat post and the kink seat. I got a 35 tooth sprocket. I'm getting a 25 tooth soon. It's stock. I got a hollow hub. I forgot what are they called? Spokes. Fit rims, both back and front. Got a few stickers on there. One that shows the monster sticker. It's a pretty good bike for the price. Alright, now I'm gonna go ride it right there. Alright. I couldn't do any tricks. I got my sandals on. But that's pretty much it.